YouTube. Today, I got something that you really won't believe. I hope Cameron and Dalton is watching this. They're a big fan of this YouTuber. Welcome home, Shark Puppet. Yeah. See, today I bought a shark puppet. Looks pretty cool. It's all made out of latex, you know. It looks exactly like the shark puppet. You just have to put your hand right there, and then shark puppet in your home. Hey Shark Puppet, how's your day going? It's going good. Actually, it's night. Yeah, I know. You're stupid. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. What kind of food do you like? Cheese. I know that. Well, I got a shark puppet in my home. Now, this is not copywriting. I just bought myself a shark puppet. Yeah. Need some Carmex. Yeah, I need some Carmex. But I have a shark puppet, and it's pretty cool. Yeah. Please subscribe to this video. Actually, to this channel, and go subscribe to Shark Puppet, Logan Paul. Thank you, Logan Paul, for making your YouTube channel.